To change some things. I think the recording might be a little bit laggy in the first few seconds, but it'll be alright. It's only like the first minute. Bro,
Look at my lips,
this is my
bro.
doo-doo.
So
The gold
scrumptious.
is your doo-doo. The other ones were not doo-doo. What is it with me and people's boo-boo? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, Kylie, oh my god, can I get your autograph? No! Let's go. No. No. You just committed. Guys, it's all like sandwiches. No, no. Mia, bro, wait, was I close to the treasure? Did I just die on it? I just died on the treasure. All right, Kelly, we gotta do this.
You reset us.
Oh,
Rat.
oh, you shush. You were the first one to die.
Ooh, free gold.
At least I'm not a fish.
Shut up.
Wait, you're
Shut
a fish.
up.
You should be able to breathe underwater. Did you lose your fish powers or something? Kelly, we need to make it stronger. Let's build like the interior with like brick.
I know what else is brick.
No.
Nothing.
Alright, we got a good boat. This is, bro, okay, yeah, see? We just put some chairs in here and we're set, because we got brick.
Sure.
No, please. Sure, yeah, just put some, no, but wait, put one last brick in here. This one.
Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
Kill you. You're so bad. No, I'm playing. I was just kidding. Don't.
Move, fatty.
I'm going to delete you.
Oh my gold.
Let me paint. Bop, 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 bop.
You're the painter.
Wait, can I paint it? Oh, no. Paint.
Trying to paint my booty.
Paint.
Oh my god, it's so laggy.
Paint. Then wait. We gotta get more paint. Yes, sir.
Oh, I have no more blocks.
Okay, it's okay. We can survive. I think.
I think I got this.
No, we got it. It's okay.
Move, Gunner.
I'm sorry. Let's go. Sit down.
Out of my chair.
No, this is my chair, you rat.
Fine.
Oh. Let's go. We gotta get past this man over here. He's so cute. He's beautiful. We gotta get past this beautiful gentleman. Who is
He's
this?
Fine specimen.
This kid. Who is this?
Oh, look at their boat behind us. It says sus.
Does it actually? Sush.
Sus.
Wait. Let me. It
Look
does.
at this man's boat.
I see it. Oh no! Nof's poo poo. No.
No, I thought Nof's poo poo was the other one.
It's both of these. Nof has some big poo poo. No, we're not. We're good. We will never be stuck. We're perfect.
This kid's Nerf outfit.
Bro, I'm beautiful. Facts. That's
No,
what my
you're
bro.
not.
That was my player, bro. He said it's Nerf or nothing. Like, don't mess with me, bro. Look at it. Oh my
look
god.
At this man.
How much, bro? Oh, bro, chill.
No.
Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse.
What is going on?
Put it in reverse. Put it in reverse. Bro, no. I'm getting hurt.
Bye, Gunner.
I know. I'm safe. I'm gonna eat the glizzy whiz.
Wait till the glizzy gliz comes.
Oh.
I think we're stuck.
No. Just wait. Like, I can see the glizzes, bro. Wait, this isn't the glizz.
No, it's not. The next one is the
Bro, your
quiz.
avatar is so big.
Your avatar
No,
is big.
that's
You're the one
not.
who's blocking.
No.
Bro, you're the one who's blocking us.
Yee.
You're the one who's in the wall, guys.
No, I'm not.
Look at your hand, bro.
That's it. I'm out of here.
Gunner.
See, I'm out of here. Bye bye. I'm leaving. You're so. What do we do? Wait, we can walk. We can walk. We can walk. We just gotta let our. We just gotta We just gotta let our things restore.
How are you losing health?
I don't know.
Oh, I made it.
You did?
To the other one, yeah.
Kelly. Oh my god.
Gunner,
Oh my
you
god.
hopped on the boat.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. We got it. We got it. If I fall in, I'm dead. Hee.
Oh, fatty.
Oh god.
Bro, we're cheat coded.
Bro, we are some
I get banned from Roblox.
facts. Keep a
We're
glizzy
gonna
on
flex
my
on
side.
We got banned from Roblox. What'd you do?
We're rogue gangsters. You're not the real rogue gangster.
Okay.
Yeah, we're some rogue gangsters. We run these streets.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. We can make it. We can.
How are we supposed to make it to the Oh. Ew,
Oh god.
Cheat code 2000.
How did you get?
Gunner. I'm stuck behind the invisible wall.
Bro, we're cheater McFlies, bro. Like Mr. Marty McFly himself. Kid, how? It's so easy. Like literally, this is easy.
Gunner, shut up.
Oh god. Oh god.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to heal.
No, this is easy. You wanna see
What is
this,
that?
Killy?
It's hollow in here.
It is. What do you mean it's hollow?
Tilt your camera in there. It's hollow.
Everything in this game's hollow.
Like your brain. Ow. Ow. No. Okay. Well,
Killy, say my brain's
thanks for
hollow
watching
again.
that, Jiffy. Huh?
What is my brain?
Hollow. What is that?
Alright, let's go. I can do it. I can do it.
Gunner can
I
do
can
it.
do
Gunner
it.
can do it. Believe you can fly.
I did it. I did it. I did it.
You did it.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I did it. I did it.
Gunner.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm literally.
Oh my god. We're the best. We're the best. Oh, daddy. Bro, we're the best, bro.
Bro.
The Glizzies gave us love.
Bro,
Like,
we're
thank you,
Hacker
Bruno and
McFly.
Sabash, bro. I know I said it wrong.
Sebastian.
Yes, but thank you. Like, I appreciate your service. Bruh.
Just get bruh. We're walking down the street.
Walking
Oh, no.
down the holla at me.
This kid. Well, at least we're passing the
My name is
Glizzies.
Chief Keef, and I'm addicted to green pickles.
Ew.
Okay, kid. Wait, can we get? Ooh,
I
there's a
wouldn't.
pole
I'm not
here.
full health. Gunner.
Wait.
Nah, let's play football. Am I? Redo that.
This is
I'll
not
play
football.
soccer.
This is super.
I know.
All right, kid. I'm going. Bye bye.
Well, no, kid. Wait. Scientifically proven
No.
to be
Kid,
speaking,
you
Gunner.
can't get.
Wait, I'm in the wall.
What? Wait.
Let's
Let's go. Oh God.
Gunner, you're gonna die.
Killy, I'm at the next one. I'm at the next one. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh my God.
Hackers.
Hacker whackers.
Let's
I'm in the sand. Bro, these sand things are bigger than my cheeks, bro. Like, my cheek, actually, no, my cheeks are bigger.
Bro, freak the boats.
Facts, we don't need boats. We're just built different.
Facts.
Bro, look at what's in here. Ooh, I like these coins.
Bunny coins. Hey, yo.
I like coins. What can I say?
Can I glitch through the wall again?
Imagine, please.
Let's go.
No.
Oh, wait. It's up there. Hold on. Give me a boost. I can't hop in your head. It's key.
Come on, we can get it. No.
Wait, can we go through here? Let's go. Wait, no, that's just... Oh, wait. Oh, no. It's literally right here.
Wait, kid, the end is right here. Look.
Where?
Come here. Is that the end? Wait, no, that's the start.
Barry.
Bro.
Alright, I'm at full health. We can go to the other one.
No, we can't.
So we can just jump.
How?
Oh, wait, we're stuck.
Yeah, that's why we had to use that other thing. Bro, they're meanie. No, kid. Follow me. Come here. Come here. Look at this. Watch. It's not the guy from Fortnite. Nope.
Where you are?
Right.
Where you are? Wait. Intentional.
Facts. Totally.
Totally,
Kid, we can jump. I'm gonna do it. Bro, look at this hottie, bro. Look at him on the right side with the hat. He's so hot.
Is that you?
No, look on the right side,
Oh.
right below us, bro. He's a cutie.
Let's go.
Let's meet him. Where's this hottie?
Maybe this hottie can like get us out of here.
We can jump on his boat.
No, because we can't get over there.
Yes, we can.
Remember?
We're goated. Kid, we can do it.
Oh yeah, I
can
forgot.
He's right there. Wait, is that? He's right there. Look at him. Wagado. Wagado. Look at him, bro. He's just vibing in his red car. Bro, let us on. Let me in, please. You penis weenus, bro. I hate
Wait, I wonder if we can go back and then just...
Killy. No.
Hmm?
What?
What?
I fell. I'm at the beginning. I can make it.
Bro.
Oh. Guys, we're trying this again. We will make it. I died. Kelly,
Yes.
where you at? What did you do? Why are you doing that?
Where are you booted, bud?
Why do I have to
But
not
we
worry
came
about
so
it?
far.
Kid, we have to restart. This game hates us.
I'm stuck.
No, you're not. We got it.
Alright, I'll reset. Jeez.
You're such a teeny amoeba. God.
Guess we have to do it legit then.
I hate
We got
doing
600 gold.
Here, we need to add a boat control. I don't even know. How do you use this? What is this? Why? Stop!
No, I want to do something.
Oh, are we gonna make a pee-pee?
Yeah.
You totally can't see what we're doing behind me, but we're gonna have a big reveal soon. I'm gonna hold on, wait. It's gonna say Long Strong SS.
Move.
You long.
Run out.
Is it gonna write? Hello? Oh, it's on the other. It's on the other thing. On the other side. Long. Schlong. Oh, I got. Here, hold up.
Why is it so tough?
Destroyer. Did I spell destroy right? Destroy.
Make the head right.
Destroy. There we go. Come here.
Wait. Did I make it good?
Come on. Did I make it right? We gotta live inside of here, okay?
Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. I want to take a picture. Let's go. I want to make it like double thick.
No. I'm making like a thing where we can like put our chairs in. Here. Destroy this.
Hold on. No, but I want to do like the outline. Okay, whatever.
No. This was just I built this just so we can put our chairs in it. And let me build the chairs.
No, I got the chairs.
Alright. Let me build a toilet. Wait. We need to get some. Oh, I know what we need to do, kid.
No, is there like white? There's glass.
No.
Plastic.
No, kid. I know what to do. Wait. Let me do it. Actually no, cause what if one of like one
I
of
don't care.
No, kid, my sister's gonna watch this one. No, or she might. No, stop.
Okay.
Let's just keep it like this. All right.
All right, you wanna sit?
No.
A little bit. Let me.
This whole time I had it on pause, but this is a big reveal. Let's go. Alright, so this is gonna be this is where we were sit. Look at their name, Long Destroyer. This is the boat. Alright, launch boat.
Oh.
Killy, sit!
Gunner.
Bro, what if someone just respawns and sees it? Look at the Seuss. It's sus. Seuss. Bro, we're gonna get banned.
Look at him. There's another person.
Where? Let's go. Let's go. Oh yes. Oh God. We'll make it through this.
Yeah.
It's too hard to not make it through this.
Hey yo. Bro, you have the best spot because I'm gonna go first.
What if we win? If we win, it's gonna be
God.
so sexy. Bro, we got.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Killy, you're kind of
Yeah, I know.
You're,
Fine.
you know.
Yeah.
You're missing a block. I'm not, cause I'm gun run.
No, you are.
Oh.
Oh. Yeah.
Killy. Oh my God, I thought. Bro, this kid Killy's on her. Kid.
No.
Okay, let's go. Uh-oh. It's like right there.
No.
No. Kid.
Please.
You might not make this. You think you're gonna win? Oh no! It hurt! No! Ah, that would hurt.
Let's get that would hurt.
Uh-oh. No. Please stop. Let's go.
Let's go.
It sacrificed its life for Gunny stand and Kyle stand.
Uh-oh.
Hey, it's kind. It can't kill its own kind. Let's go. Dang, did you see how that just
No.
Stop. Not fair. No!
No.
No! Bro, come on, we're almost there. We're almost there.
No, 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 no,
Can we?
not
Oh my god.
me. Not me.
Get on, get on.
Gunner, 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 gunner.
Okay, we got it. 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 Stop moving. We got it. Okay, we got it. Look. Oh no. Not this again. Ah. Oh no.
What do you mean?
No, no, no.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, barrel. Big barrel. We got it, bro.
Right, we didn't make it past this.
Yeah, come on, bro.
So,
Wait, what's the last one?
I don't know.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my
There's
god.
no way we're actually gonna win with the glizzy.
Yes, we are. We're gonna win with the glizzy.
This kid still has his chair.
Number one victory, Liz Row.
Royale.
Oh my god. No, no,
Oh.
stop. Oh my god. No.
Gunner,
no,
gunner, gunner, gunner,
no.
gunner, 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 gunner. Oh,
We're-
look, it's my six's house.
Sheesh.
Gunner,
Dang. Oh my god.
gunner, gunner, gunner.
I'm getting hurt. I'm getting. Mine. What the? We got it. We got it. We're fine. We're
Gunner,
fine.
you're dead.
No, I'm not.
You're dead,
No, I'm
Gunner.
not.
I'm staying up here.
Bro, we got to win with the glizz, bro.
No, no.
We got it. Come on, bro. We got to win with
It's
the
about to
glizz.
cut us off.
Bro, what if I was still on that part?
No. Gunner, 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 gunner.
Oh god.
Gunner, 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 gunner.
No. Big a book. Big a book. Look at him. Look at him. Haha. Bad.
Let's go.
Only if it was still cut. No. No, stop.
Gunner, gunner. No. Gunner.
I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive.
You
I'm alive. I made it. I made it. I don't have a boat.
Uh-oh.
Wait, where's the other pieces? Oh shoot.
No.
Do these pieces trust me? That's the thing. Come on, bro. If I make this, you gotta buy me a $15 Xbox gift card. Oh,
Me?
they left. I just gotta get fully here, bro. I got this. All right, guys.
Should I make the glizz back?
Yes. I'm going.
Okay.
Oh my
I
god.
think I'm gonna make it out of.
I died. No! Guys,
Um,
this is depressing.
Well.
We
Gunner
almost won with
died.
the glizzy. We almost won with the glizz. I'm gonna go cry in a corner. Like and subscribe or else I'm
Bye-bye.
gonna die. And you don't want me to
Bola,
die.
bola.
Yeah. Whatever.